ang China ay merong Lianhua Xingwen na nagpapalakas ng respiratory system, nagpapaboost ng immune system. Meron din tayo niyan sa Pilipinas. And featuring etong Lagundi. So, this is the Philippine na version din natin na it is composed of several organic materials or organic herbs. Ayan, hindi ito yung pinagbabawal na leaf Ito yung Lagundi. So, it is Vitex Negundo L Lagundi leaf plus oregano plus zinc. So, talaga namang nakakapag-boost ito ng immune system. It's because it enhances the mechanism ng herbs para palakasin ang ating respiratory system and maging sa overall na immune system natin. I have here ang full box 100 capsule na Lagundi. So, makikita natin na interesting itong product na ito because it does not only contain Lagundi, oregano, tapos zinc, meron din siyang sodium ascorbate na non-acidic vitamin C. So, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa Lagundi if you are searching for the best respiratory booster. Such as kapag meron kang sakit sa cough or nagka-cough ka, meron kang sipon or meron kang symptoms sa throat mo such as parang nangangati siya or talagang nagsusore talaga yung throat mo. Ito talaga ang isa sa mga pwedeng magbigay ng relief sa inyong throat. So, once again, etong Lagundi Zinc. Ayan guys, pwede mo siyang mabili sa mga drugstores and pwede mo din siyang mabili online sa Shopee and sa Lazada. So, andyan po yung price. Ayan po yung price. And I'm going to indicate the link below sa Shopee and Lazada since I am currently Philippine-based. Philippine-based din yung mga online na ilalagay ko para sa availability natin lahat. So, yes, pwede po siya eat twice a day, yung dosage. So, I'm going to tell you yung dosage niya. Usually, kapag meron talaga yung symptoms mo, yung cough, tapos yung sinisipon ka or may sore throat, yung mga iba pang respiratory symptoms, ayan, 1 capsule a day, 3 times a day, every after meal, such as after breakfast, after lunch, and after dinner. So, ayan po guys yung dosage. And then, after 1 week, pwede mo nang gawing twice a day or once a day after meal. So, ayan po guys, ang Lagundi Zinc. This is Lagundi Zinc Plus, Vitex Negundo L, Lagundi Leaf plus oregano plus zinc and sodium ascorbate na vitamin C. Over here sa front niya, Lagundi Zinc Plus, containing 100 capsules. So, same dito, yung laman niya, Vitex Negundo L, it is a 500 mg dietary supplement. So, in here, yung indication niya, Lagundi plus zinc helps respiratory function. Wait, i-clear natin. Ayan, helps respiratory function, helps boost immune system. Dito naman tayo sa formulation. Each capsule contains Lagundi 200 mg, oregano 190 mg, sodium ascorbate 100 mg, and zinc 10 mg for a total of 500 milligrams. And then, dito naman, quality product manufactured and distributed by CNF Pharmaceuticals. Product distributor. Tapos yan yung address niya. Quality product manufactured by 888 Golden Dragon, Toling. Ayan. So, sa Novaliches, Quezon City. And ano pa ba ang pwede natin makita dito? It's in here. So, dyan po, ladies and gentlemen, manufactured date, March 27, 2021, mag-expire sa March 27, 2023. Ang dosage niya dito is to take 1 to 2 capsules a day, preferably after breakfast. Kung gusto mo ng twice a day, after breakfast and after dinner. So it's like 7 a.m. or 7 a.m. tapos 6 p.m. Precaution, certain supplements can be particularly risky if you have an existing medical condition. Check with your physician to ensure it is safe to take supplements alongside with any prescribed medication you are receiving. Ibig sabihin, if you have a chronic diseases such as kidney failure, cancer, yung mga ganon, mag-consult muna kayo ng physician because syempre, meron ka ng comorbidities or meron ka ng existing na sakit. That's why, mas maganda kapag healthy ka, wala kang sakit, bago ka mag-take nito. And storage condition, store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight para hindi matunaw or hindi masira yung bisa ng gamot. Indication, so we have here Lagundi Plus Oregano combined with carefully selected active ingredients to support prevention of sickness due to cough and colds. Yung isa naman is traditionally used as a herbal medicine by the Philippine folks. Its main health benefit is to ease respiratory complaints. So, ayan, dietary supplement is not a medicinal drug. So, hindi siya medicinal drug. This is a dietary supplement. It is not intended to treat any symptoms of any diseases. So, ayan guys, ang kanyang indication. And balik na tayo sa pag-open ng box na ito. And let's take a look inside. Ngayon naman, i-open natin itong Lagundi na capsule. This is, by the way, an herbal capsule. So, naipakita ko naman sa inyo na it is not a medicine na capsule. It is an herbal capsule. It is a food supplement na nakatulong to enhance or to boost our immune system. And before opening the box or kapag bumibili kayo ng product, make sure na nakaseal po siya like this. Ganyan dapat siya na nakaseal. So, i-open natin siya. Yan. Sisirain ko na yung seal since nabit ko naman na siya. And kuha na lang ako ng gunting kasi hindi ko talaga siya mabuksan. Wait lang. Meron na talaga siyang gunting. So, over here, ayan, ikakat ko lang yung kanyang gunting. I-open na natin siya. So, it is tchanan! Capsule na capsule yung dating niya kapag kukuha ka ng isang mat. So, by the way, mat ang tawag sa isang ganito. And it contains 10 na capsules or 12, meron ding 14. Depende po yan sa mga product na binibili mo. And you can see it here sa likod. Ayan yung tatak niya, Lagundi Fortex. So, ayan. Lagundi Zinc, Lagundi, hindi ko siya talaga ma-pronounce. Vitex Negundo. So, Vitex Negundo L, 500 milligrams. Yung color naman is color green and color yellow. So, ganyan yung itsura niya, yung appearance niya. And I am anticipating na ganito yung medium size na capsule. So, meron ding mga capsule na malalaki, pero ito is small. So, syempre, i-open natin siya. Ayan, i-open natin siya and it looks like that. So, medium size talaga yung itsura ng capsule. And it is red, kaya madali siyang malunok. And over here, glass of water. May kita nyo, may fog siya dyan because medyo warm. I prefer drinking warm water rather than cold. Kasi kapag warm water, dadilate yung blood vessels mo, kaya mas madaling makapasok yung mga nutrients, mas madaling makadaan yung mga red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and promotes circulation. So, I advise you na mas maganda na uminom kayo ng warm kaysa sa cold. Kapag cold naman, i-constrict niya yung blood vessel nyo. So mas magiging masikip yung daluyan ng dugo. So, ayan, titikim tayo ng isa. So, like this. And aside from warm water, mas maganda rin na uminom kayo ng at least 10 glasses of water per day. Bakit? Kasi tinutulungan niyang i-flush yung mga toxins sa katawan mo, and lalong-lalo na kapag meron kang ubo, meron kang sipon, nakakatulong talaga siya para ma-flush yung mga unwanted extra secretions ng inyong katawan. So, ayan, iinumin ko na siya lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang dito is that wala namang masamang mag-take ng food supplement because hindi po siya gamot, and it only helps to provide an extra immune boosting capacity. Kapag meron ka ng sakit talaga, that's the time na you will take medication. So kapag wala ka pang sakit, pwede, pasok na pasok sa banga ang pag-try ng mga food supplements kagaya nito, which is safe din, and talagang pwede siyang makapag-boost ng immune system mo. So, ano nga ba yung mararamdaman mong effect kapag nagtitake ka ng ganito? Alam mo yun, yung medyo iinit yung katawan mo, so it really helps to parang ilabas niya lahat yung mga toxins sa katawan mo. Kaya yun yung isang unang-unang mapapansin mo. And then unti-unting nawawala yung mga phlegm, tapos nagsusubside na yung productive cough mo or yung sipon mo. Yun. So yun guys ang pwedeng mangyari by taking etong Lagundi. And yes, may mga doctors din na they prefer prescribing Lagundi other than prescribing medications na made up of chemical products. Ito kasi natural and organic based na food supplement. So, meron siyang Lagundi, oregano, sodium ascorbate plus zinc na talagang nakakapag-boost ng immune system. Ito ang tinatawag na Lianhua of the Philippines. So guys, if you have anything else to ask, mag-comment down below lang kayo, and reach me out in my Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, The Story of Anton. So hanggang dito na lamang po guys. Thank you and have a wonderful day!